Introducing the all-new 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee, where legendary capability meets modern luxury, presented by more Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat. Let's take a closer look at its groundbreaking features. From its bold and distinctive front grille to the sculpted lines that define its profile, the Grand Cherokee exudes confidence and sophistication. The redesigned LED headlights not only illuminate the road ahead, but also add a touch of modern elegance. Step inside the spacious cabin, crafted with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The available panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Stay connected and in control with the Uconnect 5 infotainment system. With a customizable 12-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, your favorite apps and features are just a tap away. Underneath the hood lies a range of powerful engine options, including the available plug-in hybrid variant, delivering impressive performance while minimizing environmental impact. When the pavement ends, the adventure begins. The Grand Cherokee's legendary 4x4 capability, enhanced by available Select Terrain Traction Management System, ensures confidence in any terrain or weather condition. Whether you're towing a boat or hauling gear, the Grand Cherokee's impressive towing capacity and available trailer tow package make it a versatile companion for all your adventures. Safety is paramount. The 2024 Grand Cherokee is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. From its rugged exterior to its refined interior, the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee redefines what it means to explore in style. You can view our selection at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.